Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to connect PayPal to Grailed. Let's begin. Okay, so the first thing you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time on PayPal, just choose from personal to business, and by following the on-screen instructions, you are all set. Now, if you haven't done so, sign up for an account here on Grailed. Basically, it's an online marketplace focused on men's fashion, including streetwear, designer clothing, sneakers, and accessories. It's a platform where users can buy and sell both new and used items from various brands and designers. Now, the platform gained popularity for its niche focus on high-end and hard-to-find fashion items, as well as its community-driven approach, because users can create listings for items they want to sell, set their own prices, and interact with potential buyers through messaging. Now, once you have created your account here, you need to go to your own dashboard, and then you need to go to the upper right section and click on the My Account. All right. Now, once you are here, all you have to do is just hover down to the option that says payment, and as you can see, there are three options: the safeguards, payment methods, and business registration. Obviously, just click on the payment methods, and from here all you have to do is just click on the activate button. All right, because Grailed will likely prompt you to log into your PayPal account to authorize the connection, and obviously just log into your PayPal. We're gonna do that right now. Now, after authorizing, Grailed should confirm that your PayPal account has been successfully connected. You would be able to see here, there's going to be a notification here on the upper right corner on your PayPal account. And you will be forwarded to a new page wherein you are prompted to connect a PayPal account to start accepting payments on Grailed. And again, it's free to connect whether you have an existing PayPal account or you want to create a new account. And from here, all you have to do is just follow the on-screen instructions, all right? Now, in the event that you are having problems connecting PayPal to your Grailed account, all you have to do is just hover to the left side panel of your dashboard and click on Help. And from here, just choose the situation that applies to your managing your account. Click on it. All you have to do is just provide your email address and the reason of your concerns, especially you are having problems connecting your PayPal to Grailed. Alternatively, you can also go to the PayPal Help Center. These are the channels where you can contact them. And as always, all you're gonna do is just follow the on-screen instructions and you're all set. That's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you in the next one.